Hello students, good day to all of you. Today we are going to study chapter number 2, trade. So in this lecture we are going to study meaning, types of trade. So trade plays a vital role in the economy of every country. The overall development of economy is an outcome of proper functioning of trade. Buying and selling of goods and services for money's worth is fundamental feature of trade. And other is transfer of ownership of goods and services from one person to or entity to another. The original form of trade was barter, the direct exchange of goods and services. After invention and acceptance of common currency, that is, money, trade became greatly simplified. So, we discuss about barter exchange, where under barter exchange, exchange of goods for goods or money will be easier. It will be easier for international trade also. So, meaning trade means the process of exchange of goods and services. Trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services with an object of earning profit. Means trade means what? Exchanging goods and services with money or money's worth. So trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services with an object of earning profit. Why trade will be undertaken? का trade करणारे? Trades means what? So trade will be, it is an activity where buyer and seller come together to buy and sell the goods. Buy and sell the goods, and here the main motive to undertake this type of activity is to earn extra money, is to earn profit. Trade establishes a link between producers and consumers, and it is carried out by buyers and sellers. So there are two important persons is there, that is buyer who purchase the goods and seller who sells the goods. So it is a link. Trade is a link between producers and consumers. Producer produces the goods and consumers consume the goods, purchase the goods. Next, types of trade. On the basis of different criteria, internal trade and external trade. Again, internal trade is subdivided into wholesale and retail trade, and external is subdivided into import, export and entry port trade. Retail trade is further divided into itinerant retailers and fixed shop retailers. Itinerant retailer is divided into hawkers, peddlers, street traders, cheap jacks, market traders. Fixed shop retailers is divided into two types: small scale retailers, large scale retailers. Small scale retailers includes general stores, second hand goods shops, authorized dealers, specialty shops, and large scale retailers includes departmental stores, supermarket stores, chain stores, one price shops, malls, etc. So first we turn to internal trade. When the goods and services are purchased or sold within the country, it is referred as internal trade. Means home trade, that is home trade, which can be carried within the boundaries of the particular नेशन. एकाच कंट्रीमध्ये ट्रेड चालतोय तर काय असणार आहे? परचेस अँड सेल चालत आहे तर ते काय असणार आहे? इंटरनल ट्रेड और होम ट्रेड. For example, purchasing goods from the door salesman, local shop, exhibition, regional markets, departmental stores, or a mall are the examples of internal trade. जे आपल्या कंट्रीमध्ये फॉर एक्झाम्पल एखाद्या स्टेटमधून दुसऱ्या स्टेटला सेल केलेला आहे किंवा एखाद्या सिटी याला काय म्हणायचं इंटरनल ट्रेड. एकाच कंट्रीमध्ये एकच करन्सी यूज होणार आहे. वेन द बायर अँड सेलर बोथ आर फ्रॉम द सेम कंट्री, एकाच कंट्रीमध्ये असणार आहेत, it is known as internal trade. Trade between two states or cities of same country is also considered as internal trade. As there is a gap between production and consumption, there is a need to have proper channel of distribution. There is a big gap between production and consumption, between producer and consumer. The channel of distribution is very important in the internal trade. मग हा channel of distribution कोण असणार आहे? Usually producers are situated at one place whereas the consumers are scattered over a wide area. प्रोडक्शनची प्लेस डिफरंट असते, कन्झम्पशनची प्लेस डिफरंट असणार आहे, कन्झ्युमर्स ठिकठिकाणी असणार, स्कॅटर्ड ओव्हर अ एरिया like cities, states, villages, etc. There is a big gap between producer and consumer. This gap can be shortened by channel of distribution. हे चॅनल ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्युशन काय करतं, ही जी गॅप आहे प्रोड्युसर आणि कन्झ्युमरमधली ती काय करते, रिमूव्ह करते. Channel of distribution helps to make products available at the right time, at the right place and in right quantity through different intermediaries. जे पण त्यांच्यामध्ये जे मिडलमेन्स असतात, इंटरमिडियरीज असतात, ते काय करतात, प्रोड्युसरकडून जे पण प्रोडक्ट्स असणारे, फायनल प्रोडक्शन असणारे ते अल्टिमेट कन्झ्युमर्सला, फायनल कन्झ्युमर्सला डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करतात. मग आता हे चॅनल ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्युशन बघा कुठून स्टार्ट होतं. फर्स्ट प्रोड्युसर जो प्रोड्यूस करणारे, मॅन्युफॅक्चरर जो मॅन्युफॅक्चर कन्वर्ट करतात कशामध्ये, फिनिश गुड्समध्ये. मग त्याच्याकडून कोण परचेस करतं, होलसेलर इन लार्ज क्वांटिटीज और बल्क क्वांटिटीज. होलसेलरकडून कोण परचेस करणार आहे, रिटेलर इन स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज. अँड कन्झ्युमर परचेस करणार आहे रिटेलरकडून. सो होलसेलर अँड रिटेलर इज द लिंक बिटवीन प्रोड्युसर अँड कन्झ्युमर. So today we studied what is meant by trade, types of trade and internal trade. Introduction. In the next lecture we are going to study types of internal trade. Till then, thank you.